how to transfer MTN data to another number. So all that you have to do is to simply locate the call sign and then press on it, okay? And then come and then locate the key button just like this one and then come and then tap it, okay? So what you have to know is that we have two ways of doing this. We have the first one, that is transferring the data from your data balance, and then we have the other one that I'm going to show you, okay? So first, what I want to show you is how to transfer it from your data balance, okay? So let me check my data balance for you to see first. So to check the data balance, what you have to do is to simply dial *124# and then you press on it, okay? So if you want to transfer data from your data balance just like this one, unfortunately, as I am speaking to you right now and making this video, MTN does not provide that option for you to transfer data from your data balance just like this one, okay? The only way that they provide you to be able to transfer data from your phone number is through either credit or your mobile wallet, and that is what I'm going to show you, okay? So just like how you buy data bundle, all that you have to do is to select any of the data bundle options. So let's say you are selecting the *138, so let's press the 8 and then come and then press the hashtag, okay? So you press on it and then come and then press on the call button. So over here from the same option, simply come and then select the option 99, which is the more, and then come and press on the send, okay? And then come here too and then come and then select the option 7, which is the more again, and then come and then press on the send, okay? So just like how you buy any actual data, okay? So simply come to the option 1, come and then press on the option 1 and then buy the combo data bundle, then come and press on the send, okay? So the only option that MTN allows you to be able to transfer data is through your credit or through your mobile wallet. So instead of you to buy it for yourself, you have to select option 2, which is buy for others, okay? And then over here, what you have to do is that you have to put in the number that you wanted to send the data from your data balance to inside this, okay? And then send it directly to the person instead of you buying it on your mobile phone or on your MTN number before transferring it from your data balance. MTN does not allow that. The only option is for you to send the data directly or transfer the data directly from your airtime